How to hide Amazon orders history on the app. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go ahead and quick and easy on how you can hide Amazon order history on the app. Well, to hide Amazon orders, you won't be able to do so particularly on the app. To hide it on the app, you'll need to use a web browser. So you'll need to head over to your web browser and head into amazon.com. So once you're here, once you're on the Amazon here, you can either use your phone using a browser like Chrome or Safari. You want to log into your account. So you want to proceed to log in. Tap on sign in option, enter in your email or phone number and continue to log in. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate and locate your orders. Then click on returns and orders or your orders option. Then find the specific order you want to hide. Then click the archive order button below the order details. Then click archive order in the pop-up confirmation window and you are good to go. This is how you can hide Amazon order history. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.